Hello friends, this is Vidyut Vishwas and welcome to my channel. Now today I will discuss about Nifty's further move, and as we all know that we can't predict anything, only we can follow the index because it is a supreme. So I will follow what chart of Nifty says. So also we'll try to discuss that what the chart of Nifty says right now. Now I will slightly tell you what I told at the last video. At the last video, I told that Nifty, sorry, at last video I told that Nifty given higher high like this. See here, this is the higher low compared with the last low, and here Nifty crossed the last high, so given the higher high, and again higher low, again slightly higher high, and again slightly higher low, and finally given higher high, and still it is at the higher low. But still, as per this chart, so Nifty given low, high, higher low, higher high, again higher low, higher high, again slightly higher low, higher high, and still it's not close below the last low. So technically, we can tell that Nifty is at uptrend till now. But at the last video, I told that Nifty currently is at uptrend, and till it will not close below the last low, I will be bullish on the Nifty. But another point I told that as if we will check the weekly chart, see here, if we will check the uh, let me check first the weekly chart. See here, at this zone, see at the 10,000 zone. See at this zone, previously it was a resistance of the Nifty struggle to close this level two times, and again when going up, taken support here, again goes up to the almost 11,000 level that first time, and again corrected up to the 10,000 level and taking support here. Again Nifty goes up, and again the second time taken correction at this zone. So previously we can see that two medium type of correction taken support here. So technically, what is support? Support is nothing but a demand zone. When a stock corrected or stock or index, when supply is more, and when correction is over, when demand is created. So see here, every time Nifty it takes every time before this, here Nifty supply was more, so it's corrected two times from here, and as soon as it's cross the supply zone, it's became the demand zone. So previously one, two, three times Nifty going up from this demand zone, but see here, here this zone, this strong demand zone breaks so easily. So that's why I told that 10,000 is a very strong supply zone now. Previously, it was a demand zone, and as we know, once one demand zone broken, it became the supply zone. So that time I told that at last video I told that though I am bullish at Nifty because it is giving the higher high, higher lows, but parallelly I will check the activity of chart or candles at the 10,000 level. See what actually it's saying, what we can interpret with from the Nifty chart. See, one thing is clear. See here, from this zone, almost Nifty reach at this zone, and after that, it started correction from this zone and corrected almost 700 points within 2 days. So we can say that after touching the supply zone, it started correction, but still as per daily chart, See here. As per daily chart, it's not cross the last low. It's not close below the last low. So technically, till Nifty is that uptrend within the concept of higher high, higher low. But now to analyze it further, I will use some different angle. See, from candlesticks point of view, I will take I will take help from the candlestick. See here. At candlesticks, there is a word that is the evening star. Now, technically, what is evening star? See, after a strong green candle, suppose this is a green candle, strong green candle. Let me first draw it. My drawing is not that much good, but from here it's clear that it's a green candle. And after green candle, there is a gap up. This candle color may be anything. Gap up, and after that, gap down with a strong red candle like that. Uh, this is suppose this is a solid red candle, and this is the shadow of this candle. See, this indicates that after strong bull run, when bull exhausted or loses strength, then with a strong red candle, downtrend always started. So this type of pattern at candlestick indicate that new downtrend will start from here. And this type of pattern always called the evening star. And like another candlesticks pattern, it's also request of confirmation. If this red candle followed by another red candle, then this pattern always confirms that it's the confirmation that new downtrend will start from here. And present uptrend always exhausted. So now see, after evening star, after the confirmation, we can tell that new uptrend will start from here. See here what happened at the Nifty also. At the Nifty also, strong green candle. After that, gap up. And again gap down with a strong red candle. And it's followed by another strong red candle. So this is indicating that this present bull run, which is running from here to here, it's already exhausted and is the indication of the new bear trend. Now this is the number one indication. And what is the second indication? See, uh, second indication is the flag breakdown. Now I am converting this chart from candlesticks to line chart. See here, with the help of the line chart, we can easily draw the actual support and resistance. See here, if it will connected these two line and draw like this, see that this support has broken, and if it will join this point. See, and connect from here. See, it exactly look like a down flag, and flag already even breakdown at this point. At this point. So generally, as per flag method, generally target is always we calculate target from this point to this point distance. So this is almost 12,200 to 7,500. That means 4,700 points. I am again telling that I am not predicting what chart are saying, that I am saying with you, sharing with you. So from here, there is a chance of same downtrend here. So this is showing more than 5,000, more than 5,000 target. But I, from my experience, I can say that what flag is effective more at the uptrend, but not that much at the downtrend. So this target will fulfill, that I can say that I am not telling that this target will achieve. So we will have to always now I am trying to predict from where it will taking support. Okay. Now if this downtrend will confirm, then first support obviously will be 7,500 level, from where its last correction ended. And if this correction, now I am converting it to the weekly chart. See, so after next strong support level is the 6,900 level. And if this will broken, then next support level, very strong support level, is the this one, 6,400 level. And this is the 2010 to 2014 4 years support. Generally, any stock or index, it's not broken, it's long term support. Generally, so we can expect this correction will end here or few points below here from this zone, maybe from the 5,700 or 800 zone. So this is the, I think, as per me, though flag breakdown target is showing far below, but as there is a strong support at the 6,000 level, so I am expecting just below from the support level is maybe 5,800 or 5,900. It will bounce back, but this correction will not be this much sharp. It will be slow, like slow poison, and it may happen because it will analyze the data, because of slowdown there is a chance of negative GDP growth or zero GDP growth, and many things, many companies production and is right now is closed condition. Also there is so many effect, and just I can't imagine because I am analyzing using the technicals. So there is a huge effect, and this may come. And another famous pattern where can we predict, that is also showing very scary result. So there is a very famous pattern that is called the ABC pattern. Now I am again converting to the again daily chart or candlestick chart. See here, its correction start from the almost 12,400 level. Generally, what happened at the ABC pattern, correction always any correction always done at ABC form, means strong downtrend and A and a bounce back at B, and generally after B, C will start, and C will be equal, almost equal or shorter than, almost equal or maybe shorter than A. So then from here to here, almost 4,900 point, and from 10,000, and this is A, this is B, and C will be, if C will equal to A, then from B 10,000 to another 400, 4,700 point. No, it's 4,900 point. That means almost near to the 5,100 level. So this is the target about the 5,100 level. So we can see that as per flag breakdown also target nearly about the 5,000, and as per ABC pattern also target nearly about the 5,100. So, and also if we will analyze support resistance, then our first support is the 6,900 level, maybe it's bounce back from here. Also then final support is the 6,400 level, which is a 4-year stop, means 2010 is reached to the that level, and at the 2008 correction, before 2008 correction, that is the top, and after 2008 correction, see here. Now I'm taking help from the monthly chart. See, this is a top at the 2008. So 2008, and after that actually this level is 6,200. Here again at the 2010 there is a top, and again 2013 there is a top, and again 2014, and after it finally break out. So 2008 to 2014, 6 years support is there. So we can assume that this much of strong support will not break, and if this will break, will bounce from just few points below of it. So we can assume that from 6,200, it will go slightly below from the support level monthly basis and monthly closing basis, and again it will bounce back above this level. So we can say that monthly basis at the last stage, obviously correction will be very severe at the last stage. So at the monthly basis, it will go further below the 6,200 level, maybe up to 5,200, and again it will give sharp up move up to 6,200 level, and again it will consolidate at the zone, and final up move will start from that zone. So we can conclude that now I am nothing I want to conclude, just following chart, and from what point I am telling that already I discussed little. So this is a evening star pattern, and again star pattern indicating the new downtrend will start from here, and from ABC pattern we are getting the target of the 5,100, and from the uh, from flag breakdown also getting the target the same, but I am not that much pessimistic. So I am expecting then up to 6,200, that that is a strong support, and it will go up to that zone, and monthly basis it will not close below that point. So this is all about friends, but for this confirmation, Nifty should have closed below the this last low, that means 8,850 level. So hope friends it will not close below, but my heart says that it should not close, it will not close, but it will not but uh, my analysis says that it may goes below that, further that point, because already we got indication from the chart. So friends, best of luck, and please be safe at this here. Please use, I think you all use this update for uh, for size your portfolio, and be safe. Bye bye friends for now. And please, if my video is helpful, please like and subscribe my video, and give comments for improvement. Bye bye. Good night.